JJ Jameson here, and this is Backyard Bucatini Carbonara. A little slip for me. In remembrance of one of my idols, Keith Floyd, started out by salting pasta water. We've got some bucatini. I'm going to do enough for 2 servings. That's for 1. And there's 2. As our pasta cuts. A little bit of olive oil in the pan. Typically, in Italy, you'd use guanciale, which is the pig's cheek, but I'm unable to get that here where I live, so I got this really nice pancetta, which has already got plenty of pepper and salt, so we're not going to be adding any pepper to this. Our salt, we also salted the water, and the pecorino is pretty salty. The pancetta, keep the pan with that little stir here. You can see that's got quite a bit of pepper in there, quite a bit of salt, so we're not going to add any later. That's looking pretty good, so I'm going to take this off of that heat right there. I wonder where Rue, my barbecue buddy, is at. As you guys can see, he's not here. Let's go ahead and shut this off. Pasta in here. This is still a little al dente, which is what we want. I'm going to put a little bit of pasta water in here, just to finish cooking the pasta. This on here. A little more pasta water. Just cook that pasta water down and it'll finish cooking our bucatini. That's looking really good. Well, that's perfect. Okay, let's turn this off. In our egg mixture, we have pecorino romano, Parmigiano-Reggiano. Whisk it up. And I have 3 eggs in here. So we got this whisked up. Okay. There we go. Let's pour this in here. It's still nice and hot, so it's going to cook our eggs. And just stir it around so we don't end up with scrambled eggs. So we want to make this nice and creamy. We want creamy. Look at that. Perfecto. From the magic of YouTube television, I now have a big fork. Can you guys see him down here? I guess he does like more than just barbecue. He's really sniffing. I mean, if you want to twirl this up into a much smaller twirl, like a spaghetti or thinner noodle would be great. I don't want to set this off to the side because you guys see who's over here. He is really interested in this now. So hungry, he just loves all this stuff, dogs and food. Here, I have really nice Parmigiano-Reggiano, imported from Italy. It's got all the nice crystals inside. We get this at the famous Row Creamery cheese shop. A little bit of that on top. A little bit over here. That is if Ruru doesn't get to it first. Slip for me. Typically with carbonara, you don't top it with parsley. I like to top it with a little bit of Italian parsley, but I just think it looks neater. It looks nice. It's so white, gives it a little bit of color. Let's chop finally a little bit over the top, like so. And on this one. And I know what you guys are saying. You guys say, what? One of these is for you and one of these is for Ruru? No, one of these is for Ruru's mom. She's a little too camera shy, so. And then typically, with traditional carbonara. You don't have to put olive oil here, but you know, I like to put just a little bit on top. Just for a little more flavor. And that's it. This is my Backyard Bucatini Carbonara. You know, you can do this thing, you know, you see all these chefs do this all the time, like that. Yeah, I could do that.